Good morning to all. So, you all know I am Dr. Senthilkumar, your mentor. You both are my mentees. I'm happy that we are going to discuss on design thinking. And I expect few questions from your side. I can elaborate the stages of design thinking from your question point of view. Yes, you can ask question, Mr. Ravi.
How is design thinking implemented in mechanical engineering?
So, mechanical engineering is a science where we have to find out a new solution for a problem, and existing solution can be modified, either modification or new solution. So for example, if you take this mouse now it has come without that rope, I mean wire. So that is new product development based on design thinking. So they would have got empathy. So what would be the empathy? So I don't like wire. I don't want extended surface. So I would like to connect with Bluetooth. We have a concept called Bluetooth. So these are the empathy. First, I have to get empathy from the end user. End user will give, I don't want wire. I want a connection with the Bluetooth. I don't bother about using battery. It will be using the battery in the case of wireless mouse. So battery cost I can afford for that people. So we have to go in that way. So that is the application of design thinking into the mechanical engineering. If you take a fan, the fan nowadays coming with the plastic material. The blades are coming with the plastic material. The plastic materials are cheaper than the metals. Correct. So you can see the super fan. For example, many fans have come. So the materials cost is less. Moreover, that is more endurance also. So this detail we are getting from the end user. End user says fan cost I could not afford. Fan cost is nearly 1,000 rupees. It is coming. I want a cheapest fan. So when you go for cheapest material means material should be chosen in such a way. Other than metal, you should choose a material. For that we go for the plastic. So empathize from the end user. Then we can ideate and design part and all other things for technical part that end user does not know. It is not necessary. If you go for any boiler modification, so boiler's life is maximum 30 years. It can be modified further and can use it till 50, 60 years, but efficiency will get reduced. So in case of mechanical engineering, modification and the innovations are inevitable. You can see the car. Car is having mechanical parts only 30%. Remaining 70% are electrical and electronic parts. So earlier, when they invented car, the proportion is opposite, 70-30. Now it is 30-70. So because the reason is the innovation gives more comfortness, and that leads to the collaboration with the other scenarios. So that is what the objective here. Next question. The other question. Empathy. Empathy means nothing but we are getting idea from the end user. For example, you people want a watch which do not disturb during the class and which should give the signal also, which should give the screen also. That's what your requirement. My requirement, what is my, as a professor, what is my requirement? The watch should not be used inside the class. It will disturb the class. It is my view. I will write that in my review. You will write that it should not disturb whatever thing you require. He will write what he will write. So I want the watch, even if I am sleeping, it should intimate my BP, my heart rate. It should recognize and intimate me in the voice, so that I will be alert. I will take the medicine, something like that. The old people may say like that. So people to people, the requirement is varying. Very old people does not know the new technology. What he will give in the feedback, what just 2 needles are enough to see the time. That's what his requirement. That's all. You don't want to spend money also. But recent trend generation, what they will ask, I want a watch which gives this color, this indication, that this all that the detail they may ask. So the empathy is nothing but getting the detail from the customer, considering their shoe to head level problems. whatever may be the problem, shoot to head level problem. They have considered, they should give. This is the empathy.
How apply design thinking in fluid mechanics?
In the fluid mechanics, we all know that fluids are flowing due to gravity from top to bottom. If you place the water here, it will come down. It is opposite to fire. What is the opposite? How I am saying opposite to fire? If you fire, the fire will try to go upward because of its buoyancy, because of its technical content. The gas also a fluid. So considering its the density of the fluid, we have to decide which pipe has to be decided to carry the water from one point to another point. If you want to take a gas to your house from the road street, you have to design the pipe in such a way. If you want to take the water from one point to your house, water pipe is coming to home, no? So that has to be designed in such a way. So considering the properties of the fluid, we have to first empathize with the technical people. As I said already, what is empathy? We have to get empathize with the several survey forms with the several technical people. What are the requirement may be for water, for the gas, they will give requirement. After empathize, what we will do? We will define. We have to define the problem. How we are going to choose the problem. Several problems after empathizing, we are getting several problems. We have to choose a particular problem. We have to define. Then we have to idea how to execute the project. We have to make ideate. That is idea. We have to make idea. After making ideate, what we will do? We will do prototype. It may be a tabletop or a big size machine or small size machine, whatever may be based on the proportion. We will make a prototype. Then we will test. So this is what the application of design thinking in the fluid mechanics. This is a one case study I said. Like this, you can see several case studies in the fluid mechanics. Okay, thank you. So here after you approach every concept with the design thinking five concept, what are they? Empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So apply these five concepts referred by Stanford University, and we are the first institution, proudly we say, first Indian institution to implement the design thinking based curriculum in our SNS group of institutions. Thank you very much.